the Tuffles are back. And this time, they've gotten royal blue hair. Cut. Hold on. Take two. What I meant to say was, they've now gone Sapphire. And tonight, we're gonna draw Blue Evolution Baby Vegeta. You ever discovered that the tuple, that the great super evolutionary tuple has gotten a lot stronger? Plus, you ever noticed how interesting that Lord Tuffle, otherwise known as Super Baby 2, has gained the power of Super Saiyan Blue in its evolved state? Well, I'm proud that I decided to draw this guy. What it would have looked like if the superiorly evolved Tuffle had gotten Vegeta's royal blue form. I'm starting to figure out that they should call it Super Saiyan Royal Blue. They should call it Super Saiyan Royal Blue, Super Saiyan Sapphire instead. And no, I'm not gonna include Vegeta's Royal Blue form song into this one. I wanted to make it more kid-friendly. You know, cause this guy has the name of a child. I'm talking about the tuple, not the Saiyan. So, the music that I'm playing for today was created by a songwriter named Carsile. They've really got to extend that song. I missed drawing this line the last time I drew Baby Vegeta, also known as Super Baby 2. There we go. Now we draw the panel sticking out of his back.
yourself at home. If you want this to be your office away from home.
There's his wing. Yep. Now we draw the gloves here. Yeah, isn't great being. He's a great being. And still is. Now we draw the belt. And last but not least, we draw the super royal blue aura that surrounds him. There we go. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw Super Saiyan Royal Blue Evolution Baby Vegeta. And before we sign off, how about we play another one of those interesting songs once again. Hit it, Miss Carcel. To find out more how to draw the strongest fusions from Dragon Ball, please leave a comment below on which character you want me to draw next. And, well, observe well on what I'm drawing, and you can draw the greatest weapons like I have. Anyhow, please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character to draw. Want me to draw next in the comments below. Because my career is always rising. Stegosaurus, see you later. All credit for this episode goes out